guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is my grocery haul from Aldi in addition to the meal plan for the week. Stay tuned. One item that is new to me is their sweet kale chopped salad kit. Usually I love the sweet kale salad kits that you could get at Kroger and Costco. They're usually so good. They do add some kind of dried fruit, especially dried cranberries, as you can see, sunflower seeds, and then this one has a tangy citrus dressing. Some of the salad kits I've seen at other places, it's usually like a sweet poppy seed dressing. So I'm really excited to try this out. It's a little bit small. It was something like $2.49 though, so it wasn't as expensive as some other places. Some bell peppers, orange, yellow, and red. I use these in omelets and as snacks, just eating them raw. Also some baby leaf spinach, that'll be a side. Some cilantro, I'll be using that in some pico de gallo. Green onions also for the pico. Some sliced Swiss cheese, also for snacks. Baby carrots and Clara oranges. I'm just going to keep buying them as long as they continue to look good. Unfortunately, I could not find any grapes though. I was really hoping to have some grapes with the cheese, so I might have to stop by Kroger just to get that. And then I also have some Greek non-fat yogurt in the strawberry and the blueberry for my husband. A couple dozen eggs. On sale, it was like 40 cents or 35 cents were these Fit and Active Italian diced tomatoes. Always nice to have on hand. I'm not going to use those yet, probably save them for a future week. Also some large cooked shrimp and a big thing of sugar. It's been a while since I bought sugar, but I realized the other day that we are almost completely out. So I like to have that on hand just in case I feel the mood to bake. This was on sale for like around $2 or $3 or something. It's the Neon McCormick coloring drops or whatever, and I use these with cakes and I mix them with fondant and stuff. So I've never tried the Neon. I hope they work out. So some Never Any sliced chicken breasts, some bananas, gala apples. We still have the watermelon back there from last week. We just never chopped it. We just never got around to it because we're still eating cantaloupe and stuff. Some of the Junior waters, the Bella V grapefruit, the sparkling water, and then the rest of the stuff is for 3 different kinds of parties. They're not like big, huge parties, of course, but 3 different kinds of get-togethers. We're having mom's group this week, so I bought the pizzelles and the caramel coconut cookies. Friday night, we're hosting kind of like a game night for some friends at the church again, so I bought a bunch of salmon and lots of Brussels sprouts. That's the day I'll also be having the pico de gallo, and we'll also have rice along with this meal. It's all my favorite things. I can't decide whether this cheesecake will be for Friday night or Saturday night. Saturday night we're having a kind of like a ladies' night here at the house before we go to this big fundraiser event for charity. So, but also that night it'll be like an appetizer night. So we have the bite-sized dry salami, the Italian dry salami, tomato basil cheese, pepper jack, Swiss, and extra sharp cheddar. I'll be chopping those up. And then for warm appetizers, I'll have the Mandarin chicken here and the original meatballs. I bought an extra one of these Mandarin chickens just because, I don't know, I've never tried them before, I don't think. So one of our meals this week is going to be trying this out, and if it works out great, then we'll continue to have this for that Saturday night. All right, so meal plan for the week. Sunday, we'll be trying that Mandarin chicken. I'm going to cook some of those carrots so we have a vegetable side, and then that'll be over some jasmine rice. Monday, I have this jar of coconut curry sauce from Kroger that really needs to be used up. So we'll be using that with the shrimp, and then we'll have some peppers also mixed in. Tuesday will be the sweet kale salads, and I'll boil some eggs so we have some protein with that. Wednesday and Thursday will be the adobo chicken. I'll use the chicken breast to mix in a very simple recipe of soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and garlic. We'll have that on top of rice with a side of spinach for Wednesday, and then Brussels sprouts for Thursday. And then Friday, we'll continue with the Brussels sprouts. We'll have that with the salmon, like I mentioned, the pico de gallo, and rice. I have some tomatoes left from last week for the pico. And then Saturday will be the appetizer night. It's kind of like a potluck though. So we're not just having the meatballs and the chicken and the sliced cheese and deli meat. There'll also be some other things coming as well. So yeah, that is it for this week's meal plan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.